And the first one is that the gospel makes your work meaningful. The gospel makes your work meaningful. What do I mean by that? I mean that we all want what we do to matter. There's a big movement, has been since probably the mid 2000s, about people, even non-believers, looking for what they called meaningful work, right? And the companies wouldn't just have the thing that they did. They also had a purpose, Like, I remember Tom's shoes, right? I think that's still around. You'd buy a pair, they'd give a pair, and there was a lot of these things where it's like you couldn't just be a company. You also had to have some initiative that gave meaning to the work so that the people that came work for you felt like they were doing something in this world. And I think that all of us are looking for meaning in our work. It doesn't surprise me that people would pursue jobs that were meaningful like that. But what's really cool is we don't have to import our own meaning or sort of invent structures of meaning around our work. If you are a Christian, no matter what you do, you can be confident that if you are doing your work as an act of worship unto God, your work matters. No matter what it is, it matters eternally. It says in Colossians 3:23 through 24, which I probably quote this every other episode, and I'm going to quote it till you memorize it, but it's Colossians 3:23 through 24. Whatever you do, work heartily as for the Lord and not for men, knowing that from the Lord you will receive the inheritance as your reward. You are serving the Lord Christ. I love that. Whatever you do, it doesn't matter what you're doing. It doesn't matter. Are you a janitor? Are you a homemaker? Are you a well-paid CEO? Are you a business owner? Are you a retiree? What is it you're doing? Doesn't matter. Whatever it is, work heartily. Work from the heart. Work hard. How? Not for people. It says, as for the Lord and not for men. That's the key distinctive there, is it's how you view your work. And this is what I say, the gospel is a lens. It's the way you look at your work. The gospel should change that. The gospel gives meaning to your work because it makes you see it as, my work is not just a way for me to get a paycheck. It's not even just a way for me to fulfill whatever my company's mission is. Whatever the main thing you've been called to, it's primarily, and you have to view it this way, it's primarily something I do as unto the Lord, which is to say, I'm not doing it for the sake of what people think of me, but I'm doing it as a way to glorify God with my life. And I think that where this comes in so handy is it's really easy for us to get caught up in complaining about our boss, the hours, or, my lot in life. Oh, I hate my job, or I hate that I have to do this. It seems so meaningless. No, you're not thinking about it right. You're not thinking about it right. When we do that, we're forgetting that ultimately your work is meaningful beyond its immediate outcomes. It's meaningful is when you do it for God's glory. When you work as unto the Lord, it gives a purpose to your work which far exceeds the work itself. So the gospel changes our productivity, firstly, in that it makes our work meaningful.